Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 5.4 and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. There we go. Now once it turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Android with no command, hold power key, press volume up once, and there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. And in this mode you want to use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And from here you can do a couple different things: reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, or enter fastboot mode, apply some updates from a DB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view recovery logs, run tests, and also power off the device. Now whatever you select, you will then confirm it with power key. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.